In this problem, I will be converting a rate using a proportion and using dimensional analysis. I am told that I need to give 30 mLs of a bolus over 30 minutes. How much should I infuse in terms of milliliters per hour? I know in this example what I am going to be administering is 30 minutes, and I need to give that over a period of 30 mLs, and I need to give that over a period of 30 minutes. What I am looking for is a unit of milliliters per hour. Well, notice if we know milliliters per hour, this would be the same thing as knowing milliliters every 60 minutes. And that's what I'm really looking for. How many milliliters would I be providing every 60 minutes? So here, what I would have is milliliters over minutes. Using a proportion, this would be equivalent to another ratio of milliliters per minute. In this example, I need to know how many milliliters should I be providing over 60 minutes. This would be, again, equivalent to figuring out milliliters per hour. Looking here, if you were to cross multiply, 30 times 60, you may not need to cross multiply if you can see kind of what's going on behind the scenes. And what you'll notice when you solve for x is you would have, in this case, 60. X would be equal to 60. You would be providing 60 milliliters every 60 minutes. That would be equivalent to 60 milliliters per hour. This is if we were to use a proportion. Now you may be able to kind of see the reasoning behind this and may not need to use a proportion. Knowing that, well, I would be doubling this, so I would be doubling the number of milliliters, that would be 60 milliliters over a period of 1 hour. Using a dimensional analysis approach, I'm still going to start with that 30 mLs over 30 minutes. That is the rate that I know that needs to occur. This is what must happen. I do not want a unit of minutes. I need to cancel out minutes, so that's going to be in the numerator of my conversion factor. And I want to convert minutes into hours. I know 1 hour is 60 minutes. And what we have here is we would have, just with this conversion factor, minutes would cancel. I would have milliliters per hour. So up top, I would have that 30 times 60, which would be 1,800. I would be dividing that by 30, which I know will simplify to 60, and my unit would be mLs per hour.